May is Mental Health Awareness Month, and there's a new campaign called Michigan Minds from Network 180 that aims to help area youth access resources and treatment of early psychosis. Joining us from Network 180, we have Program Director Rachelle Bosma and Peer Support Specialist Chadwick Sutton with more. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.
Could you start with the definition of early psychosis, what that means?
Sure. Psychosis really just describes a range of experiences that go to changes in the way people perceive and interpret things. So really what we're looking for are sometimes people hear or see things that others don't, or sometimes maybe get special messages to them through the TV or radio. Okay. Specific symptoms really range from person to person, but we do want to watch for changes in behavior that can signal that to others. What we look for are isolation, maybe saying things like, I'm scared I'm being monitored, things like that.
But it's going to be very disorienting and frightening.
Absolutely.
How is Michigan Minds aimed to help?
Great question. So Michigan Minds is a hub, a resource hub for people experiencing psychosis. What it does is it tries to connect you to a coordinated specialty care team, okay, which is the gold standard for treatment with psychosis.
Absolutely. Chadwick, you're well versed in this. What does that treatment look like?
So treatment tries to have a holistic approach. You can have individual resiliency training, which builds up skills and strengths and heals from distressing experiences. There's also family support and education, medication management, supported education and employment, and then there's also peer support, which is what I do, which means that I come from personal experiences of having psychosis, and so I can offer hope in a way that a lot of other people can't, and I can offer encouragement.
That's got to be invaluable to folks going through this. I'm sure early detection is key.
It is, absolutely. We know that the earlier someone gets into treatment, the better their outcomes are. And we also know that with this care, people can thrive with psychosis.
Absolutely. So this is something we want to make sure people have access to. Cost for this?
Yeah, so we do not believe that that should ever be a barrier.
Sure.
And so our programs are really proud to say that no matter what your ability to pay or your insurance, you can come and get care at the coordinated specialty care team.
Yeah, someone right now is watching this saying, this is a lifeline for me. You know, right? They have that no cost barrier is amazing.
Absolutely.
We get some information we can put on the screens for you right there. If this is something that's affecting your life or someone you know, reach out today. MichiganMinds.org is the website to go to, or you can always just send that email to hello@MichiganMinds.org as well.